Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Taso, and with this channel I want to share my design knowledge and experience. So I'm guessing you're here because you want to improve your skills and find out more about how I go about my creative work and business. So I've been in design for over 25 years. I think like most people, I've had, we've had ups and downs, hoping to have a large studio or a successful app, or you're just content for being a freelancer or a contract designer. Well, I've been all of these. I did grow my business with 3 designers and plus me, so 4. Built an app that I shut down years later. Went into partnerships and exited, and rebuilt my business from scratch again. So now I run a studio which has no employees but contractors. So I can be essentially I can be viewed as a contractor, but I've set up my business to be perceived as a studio, because I firmly believe that I can compete with the bigger studios the way I work. So we could possibly look at the way you set that up in future videos. So running this light sort of setup, I have been able to make a decent income and support my family. Even in recent years, or the last 18 months I've been working out of home, which is more acceptable these days. So it seems to be commonplace going forward. So it's coming down to more about how your skills and what your output's like. So yeah, we'll look at that. So subscribe, and if you're okay with annoying notifications, click that notification bell. So if you don't, so you don't miss out on any future videos that I may upload. So videos may contain things, how to using Adobe software. So I use the Holy Trilogy: InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. And there are many others that I, knowing the interface, I move into and can edit videos and whatnot. So I have a general skill set. So things that I buy, tech that I buy to improve my workflow, and things that I play with. You may see some PS5 or 4 videos coming up. My creative process, and I may get into some complex topics like branding, or anything else you want me to discuss. I do like what other YouTubers have done with engaging viewers, and I was thinking it'd be pretty cool to do a portfolio night where people share their portfolios and get a, let's say, an industry perspective on if it's a good portfolio setup, to build more confidence as you're going into interviews. I'm also exploring on how I've run my business over time. It may take a bit longer, but it could possibly help you to decide when where you'd like to take your career. Go into a contractor direction, or full-time employee, or freelance. They all have plus and minuses. So lastly, please comment on the videos and I'll do my best to respond. Until next time, be well.